Hello everyone, today I'll show you the best settings for gaming on an AOC monitor. You can access the OSD menu using the buttons on your monitor. Start with game mode. Set it to off or gamer 1 for full control over all adjustments. Next, go to override. Medium is the safest choice. It reduces ghosting without adding inverse ghosting. If you have high refresh rate panel, strong can also work. Turn adaptive sync, FreeSync or G-Sync on. This will reduce screen tearing and make motion smoother in fast games. Set shadows control to 50 for balanced black levels. You can raise it slightly if you need more visibility in dark scenes. Keep game color at 10 for default color accuracy. Enable low input lag to reduce delay between your input and screen response. Set brightness between 50 and 75 depending on your room lighting. Keep your contrast at 50 for balance. Use user control temperature with R50, G49, B46 for a natural 6500K look. These settings give you good balance of speed, clarity, and color for most games. That will be it. Thanks for watching.